the elevated double arm cable row. Don't be confused by the name. We're still going to consider this a part of our vertical pulling. This is a great way if you are new to vertical pulling to start learning how to get that greater range of motion and learn how to glide that shoulder in the right position. It's also ideal for if you do have any shoulder restrictions and you can't get that full overhead position yet without extending that back. This is going to help you be in a position where you can stabilize your core better, protect that shoulder as you learn how to develop those lats. So the way we're going to set it up, we're going to elevate the cable to about face height. And we got two handles here, and we're going to be going with a neutral grip with our palms facing each other. I'm going to take a step back, and I'm going to plant down into a squat, just enough to feel stable. Now, even though that's elevated, you can see my posture is trying to stay vertical. My belly is braced, I'm sitting into my hips for stability, and I'm going to use that foundation as I row. My biggest cue is going to think, push your elbow down towards your hip. Get back here. Pushing that elbow down. Okay? That is going to help me turn on that lat because that's a big part of depressing the shoulder. We've all seen people pull with those shoulders up into their ears and we feel those traps really tight and our neck really tight. We're going to fight that habit. So we're going to think elbows down towards those hips, maintaining that belly braced, not puffing that chest out excessively. And when that elbow hits the body, we are done. If I keep pulling and I see that elbow try to rise back to the sky and that shoulder pointing forward, that's where you're going to get that discomfort and that trap taken over. So constantly think down with that elbow. There's your elevated cable neutral row.